This is going to be a video to help you solve multi-step equations when you have variables on both sides of the equal sign. Now the problem I'm going to solve is negative 6x minus 25 is the same as or is equal to 8 minus 3x. Now whenever I solve multi-step equations or two-step equations, I like to start off by making a fence that goes down through the equal sign. I do this for two reasons. First of all, I know whatever I do on one side of the equation, I have to do the exact same thing on the other side of the equation. Also, that fence helps me keep track of where the equal sign is in this problem. The way I'm going to solve this problem is by creating a zero pair and getting all my x's on the left side of the equation and all my numbers on the right side of the equation. In order to do that, I have to make a zero pair with my negative 3x. Negative 3x and positive 3x make 0. But if I add 3x to the right side of the equation, I have to add 3x to the left side of the equation also. Now I'm going to have a new equation after I combine both sides of this equation. On the left side, I'm going to combine my negative 6x and my positive 3x, and that's going to be equal to negative 3x. I also have to bring down my negative 25, and the reason why it's negative is because the sign in front of the 25 is a negative. So I'm going to bring down the negative 25 or the minus 25. On the right side of the equation, I have to bring down a positive 8. And if I look at it carefully, the negative 3x and the positive 3x make 0, so I don't have to bring anything else down. Now I have gone from a multi-step equation to a two-step equation where I just have my variable on the left side of the equation. After I do that, I've got to get my numbers all to the right side of the equation. I'm going to do that by making a zero pair with my negative 25. Negative 25 and positive 25 are going to make 0. But if I add 25 to the left side of the equation, I have to add 25 to the right side of the equation also. Now let's see what I have left when I combine these two equations. On the left side of the equation, I have negative 3x and my positive and negative 25. I can just bring down my negative 3x on that side of the equation. On the right side of the equation, I have 8 and 25. When I combine those, that makes 33. The last step is just going to be to undo my one-step equation, which is negative 3x is equal to 33. I want to solve for x, so I've got to undo multiplying by negative 3 by dividing by negative 3. But if I divide the left side of the equation by negative 3, I have to divide the right side of the equation by negative 3 also. I want you to notice that negative 3 divided by negative 3 is just 1. It's a giant 1. And actually, anytime you're dividing in the numerator and denominator are the same, you're going to have a fraction that equals 1. Negative 3 divided by positive 3, or negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. So on the left side of the equation, I'm going to have x. On the right side of the equation, I'm going to have 33 divided by negative 3, and that's going to be equal to negative 11.